Hey, what's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? Hopefully y'all having a good day and everything like that. I actually made an order through Cricket Wireless website, and they have a really good promotion going on for iPhones. An iPhone 6 or iPhone 7 for like pretty much under $100. So I made the order yesterday because like a lot of my friends, family members and stuff use iPhones. And it just got to the point where I was like, okay, let me try out the Apple and see what this thing has to offer. But they put the SIM card in there and everything like that. And pretty cool, but let's just take a look at the package right here. And you can see it's a nice white box, but we're getting a nice black phone right here on the back. And you see right here it says 32 gigabytes, the iPhone 7 earbuds, lightning connector, lightning to USB, power adapter, and 4G LTE. So without any more waiting, let me just take this part off. Okay, so let's just see what's inside of here. And what you're getting at the top right here is the Design by Apple right here. And you can see that you have Welcome to iPhones, the sleep button. The turn on the button, sleep wake button, 3D touch, use ID to unlock iPhone with the home button. You get the SIM tray. You get some stickers here too, which is kind of cool. The device itself. And wow, this is actually a lot smaller than what I thought it would be. So you can see it's a pretty handy phone. It's not too big at all. So let's just peel off the plastic on this thing. Alright, so that was actually pretty cool. Let's look around right here. So you got the power button, sleep and wake. You got your volume rockers, and from what I know, this is the mute button. Then you got your speaker grill right here, which is your earpiece. You got the front facing camera, 3D touch button, lightning cable with speakers on the bottom, and Apple logo right on the back, and it says iPhone right here. So let's go ahead and power this on and see if it has any juice. Okay. And while that loads up, let me just take a look at what's in here. Oh wow, this is a really good presentation. So you get the earbuds right here. I'm gonna just leave these in here for now. You got the lightning cable right here, and this looks pretty cool. And then you have your regular brick right here, cool, which is cool. So this is a really nice presentation so far. Okay, so this isn't another language or something. What is this? Okay, there we go. Hello. Press home to open. Okay, so we see English right here. Let's hit that. Select your region, the US. It says right here, bring your own iPhone, or we'll set this up manually. And then you have the connection to the internet. Let me set up a password. Yeah, but the feel in the hand for this thing is absolutely... I could see how people would be addicted to the form factor on this thing. So it says that we can just continue, and I just want to see what the phone actually looks like. Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Let me just set up that later, not now. And then continue. Don't share. So you get pink or dark. Let's choose dark. Wow, that's crazy. You get the dark mode on here. And then it says meet the home button. Let's hit this. Wait, cancel. Customize later in settings. Display zoom, so you get like, choose how you would like to view your iPhone. You could zoom. It shows larger text control, standard fits, more on the screen, and you could change it at any time. All right, so now we're in the phone, and this is what it would look like. But you got everything here, Bluetooth, you know, the brightness and the speaker and the camera. And it says ask for the location, will allow. And then you get square, pano, photo, zoom, well, not zoom, video, slow-mo, time lapse. And so that's actually pretty cool. But that home button, you could feel it vibrate when you press it. You jump into settings and you get all your options here. But I'm gonna mess around with this in a whole lot more detail. But thank you for staying locked in with me. I appreciate you guys 100%. But I guess you could say I'm Team Apple now. But I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.